Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying requirements. Make sure your GPU drivers are current because Bluestacks uses hardware acceleration for performance. Once done, reboot and enable virtualization in BIOS, Intel VTX or AMD so the emulator can access CPU-level features. Next, close Hyper-V or other VM apps and run Bluestacks as administrator to avoid permission blocks. These steps prepare the system. They reduce crashes and ensure GPU allocation when you toggle graphics settings inside Bluestacks, giving you the best baseline before changing options. You now change the engine settings inside Bluestacks. Open Settings and go to the Engine tab, choose the graphics renderer, start with DirectX for compatibility, switch to OpenGL if you need better app rendering. Then select Performance Mode to prioritize GPU usage. Also set ABI to match your app if it offers that option, and tweak CPU and RAM to realistic values. After making these changes, click Restart Bluestacks so the emulator reinitializes with GPU acceleration enabled and applies the new rendering pipeline. You finish by verifying acceleration. Run a game, monitor FPS, and open Bluestacks help write arrow diagnostics to confirm GPU is active. If you see visual glitches or crashes, first switch renderer between DirectX and OpenGL, then update or roll back GPU drivers as needed. Sometimes the latest driver breaks compatibility. If problems persist, lower an emulator graphics or reinstall Bluestacks using the current installer and perform a clean driver install. This targeted troubleshooting solves most GPU enablement issues quickly, so you can get back to smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.